Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have just put paint on the sides of my canvas. I'm going to use this 16 by 20 inch pre-primed black canvas from Artist Loft with an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I just messed up. Okay, well, I want a white stripe down my center, so I'm going to try and make that work anyway, even though I just messed up. What I basically want is black on both sides. And as long as this OXO omelet turning spatula, flip and fold spatula, works as well as I think it's gonna, then I can pretty much rectify my error in judgment. So I've got one side done. And I don't think it's gonna matter. Except for the fact that I'm going to have to pour my paint and spread it by tipping as opposed to the spatula, because otherwise I'm going to get gray. So what am I going to do now? I don't make mistakes that often. I have brain farts, but I don't make mistakes painting that often. So I'm going to use some of my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Make a sort of not quite, but totally organic line. This is my maiden white with a little tiny bit of water added to my regular recipe, which is underneath the video. Let's see how far that spreads. I kind of like it just like it is. See, Tara, I made another painting. And honestly, I don't think it really matters, because I want something organic anyway. And I'm learning, every time I make a mistake of any kind, I learn something, wow, something new, like that. Okay, so I took my painting up, you're right. Now I'm just going to use that paint right there. Right back on the canvas. And I like looking at the gold and the white because the cells are pretty cool. Okay, funny tool. Now, I've got some great paint, and what I really liked about it recently was the red. I'm going to put some more orange in there. I want some of the dioxazine purple, and I have a color that I made from Folk Art Neon Purple, and I made some loop-de-loops the other day, and I'm going to do it again, only this time I'm going to do it with my shovel. And I don't need it to be even. This is me using up my paint. Now I could use a blow dryer in this and it would probably not work. But I don't know that, so someday you should expect that I'm going to do that. And I'm going to get rid of this, put it into the bucket, because there's nothing but muck left in there now. And I'm going to look at what I've got and decide if I want to add something over the top. And the gold is in there. And I've got, that was a lot too even. That was weird. It's the same place. Shovel's going in the bucket too, along with that spatula. And I have some hot orchid, which really sets up very quickly. So I could really use some more water. It's like it absorbs the water that I mix into it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I am sure that I'm going to tip. And then we'll figure it out from there. Might just cover the whole canvas, you can never tell, but at least I have some of that white left. We'll see if that stays. I'm dying for some Venetian blue and I don't know why I didn't put it in there already. Maybe because it needs to be stretched out as much as possible. You know, I just really, really, really want to see what happens. Oh, I destroyed some beautiful stripes. Boo. Well, that didn't do anything for me, but I know adding new paint will usually work. There's always chain, there's always swiping. There's definitely swiping on my mind. Okay, well I'm not too unhappy with that, and it makes me want some silver. And since I've got nothing to lose at this point, I think I'm also going to grab some Mead and Black. In a little dish I can put some in. And my swipe card. And see what happens. See if I can pick the right side of this card this time. I really want to do the large side, but let's do something different. Still craving that blue. Not seeing anything I'm in love with yet. Thinking about the white. Mostly because I can. I should do whatever I'm inclined to. Which might also include that blue that I'm craving. Ah, it could be a waste. Sometimes I feel like I should just do things I know how to do and not experiment anymore. And then I do some really strange stuff because I can, and I discover stuff I like. By accident. I really don't want to eradicate all the cool stuff from my shovel. It's a cosmic critter. Somebody will like it. I might even like it tomorrow. Better than I like it now. At least I saved some colors, right? Well, it's dramatic, whatever it is. Trying to convince myself I haven't just wasted that beautiful batch of colors. I do have some object in there that needs to come out. Rather large one, in fact. So, little too hard. Looks pretty neat, in spite of the fact that I'm still trying to love it. Time for a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. No, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Because the colors are still so cool that are left behind, I don't think I can get it wrong as long as I don't give up. Because it was already kind of neat. definitely some kind of explosion. Come on out. I think I'm being called the purple. Purple, purple, and more purple. Maybe a little blue, although the blue isn't probably all that likely to stay. Although it might. Okay, I heard that. Turquoise. Because there isn't any. Oh, I thought I was going to get away with that. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. Don't try this at home. But I am enjoying playing in the paint. This might wind up being a paint adventures. I don't necessarily enjoy it when they don't behave themselves. So I've got almost or over 92,000 subscribers. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for being here. If you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. Very much so. Yeah, it's an event. I got one finally. Hopefully it's the right one. So that's interesting. It's definitely dynamic. Something is happening there. There's definitely dimension in there. And it's not like anything that I've ever done exactly before. And I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys thank you for checking out my playlist of over 1,800 videos by going to all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel, where you can also find the community board announcing tomorrow's video. I see dribbles. I see dribbles that I don't want in there. And if I use my tweezers, I can sort of camouflage dribbles. Little filament tail things. So I got 1 minute left to tell you guys I run a monthly drawing to try and help support the production of videos at the studio, and you can see the prizes for the drawing included on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video in the last 20 seconds. I wonder how dark this is going to be tomorrow. There are a lot of things I like about this, and I'm really surprised how much I like this. I thought I was going to do something else, like throw a chain in there, but no. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Make sure to check my link tree for my Amazon link, my website, my Facebook groups, and there might be something else of interest there. My 2 books are on the link tree because I can, and they're on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. My Teespring clothing below the video is also a help if you are in the mood to shop and you can't find what you're after. Just ask me. I will probably post it and include it in the inventory there. I might be tweaking for a couple minutes, but I think I'm pretty good. Hopefully that looks as interesting from your direction as it does from mine.